Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve the 3 by 3. So what I've shown here are the algorithms so that it's much easier to solve. U is up, D down, L left, R right, F front, and B back. So let's get started. So you should remember that all the pieces opposite sides, like white opposite yellow, orange opposite red, blue opposite green. So we're gonna start with the white side opposite to this, and we're gonna bring the edge pieces to this side. So first we're gonna check out this side, so it's orange, so you bring orange to this side. And next, this is blue, so there is a blue edge piece, so you bring it like this. And that's it for every piece we do there. And now we have the plus sign here. So first we're gonna do the corners. So we're gonna find two colors here that matches this. So we're gonna do R U R prime U prime. So that matches here. Next we're gonna do the same for every block here. There. And there. So we have completed the down part, and we're gonna go complete the edges. So we're gonna find a piece that's suitable for two colors. For example, here blue and orange, they match, and we're gonna go by doing U prime and then L prime U prime, L U, and R U R prime U prime there. And that's it. So we're gonna do that for all the other pieces. So and we have completed the edges. So moving on to the top layer, we should get a cross here. So we're gonna do the algorithm. There are different types, so I'm gonna teach you how to do them all. So it goes F R U R prime U prime. We keep on doing it until we get across here. So here we've got a cross, and the other sides have been opposite to each other, so we're gonna solve them. We keep the sides cross to the side, and we do R U R prime U R U2 R prime, and we get another cross which is like a fish, and we get the boxes here goes. So one box is here, another here, another here. So in this situation we're gonna do the same thing, R U R prime U R U2 R. So there, it's completed. So in this case, we're gonna get the boxes in this way. We hold it like this and we do the method which I showed you earlier backwards. So it goes R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. So there. So now we're gonna find a line which has two same colors. So here there are no colors, so we're gonna hold the cube down and do R prime, U, R prime, D2, R, U prime, R prime, D2 and R2. So here we got a piece that's completely full, but there should be a different piece here. So we're gonna hold that piece down and we're gonna do the same algorithm. R, R prime, U, R prime, D2, R, U prime, R prime, D2, R2. So we've got a complete piece here. So we have got a piece which is fully solved and all the edges different of three sides. After the algorithm I showed you earlier, you may get a piece like this. So you're gonna hold the cube in such a way that the full solved side is opposite to this. So we're gonna do R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime. So in cases like this where all the edges are different, you do it twice. And we get a full solved side here and we do the same thing. Sometimes we might have to do it twice. So this is the tutorial which you can solve in under 5 minutes. So see everyone in the next video.